to Lily Billy Toys. Today we're gonna open this package of this baby. His name is Jack. And wow, this is so cute. And let's open it up. And the first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna take him a shower, and you're gonna see things. Wow, this is so nice. Oh, this package is so nice. Let's open it up. Oh, a little, wow, little soap. Baby soap. Let's open this. Oops, okay. Let's open it up. Wow, it's so pink and nice. We can put it here. Oh. And wow, little dolphin. Ooh, so nice. And let's open this up. Wow, pink one. What is this? Put him in this shower. Wow. It's you and me? Okay, don't think. Ow. We have this one with this one in it. Oops. Have this. See? We put it. So nice, like a big one. And we have this one. This is the crane. Wow. See? And the last one is this ducky. So nice. Quack quack. This, oh, I forgot it. Wow, little Pampers. Oh, what is this? I don't know. Okay, this is so nice. Let's put it again, and let's show you this things in here. This is nice, and this is his t-shirt here. And this jacket, or are you going not to give him? And this too. And let's show him. And this is the towel. And wow, this is for this Pampers. Okay, what else? Wow. When we finish, see, water. This too. This. Wow. And this. Gonna put him some. And let's put him in this water. Oh, oops. Okay. Let's put it here. Oh, it's so cute when here. And let's take this and put this one. And let's make it here. Oops. To be. And let's also put this one. Oh, the top here. Oh, the duck, your eye. Come in here. Where is your eye? Okay. And this one we're gonna put for him. And this too. So nice. put some bubbles here. Okay. And okay, here yes, this. Put here some, and put also when I put here. And this is have some. Let's put this also. Okay. Okay. Ooh, come on. Oops. It's so big. Put some water here. That's to him. Wow, some bubbles. Wow, it smells so good. Oops. Let's turn you. Okay, let's put you again. And we finish him. First we're gonna put this here. Or where that we going to put? Okay, let's put it in here. And the first thing that we make him take this out of bubbles here. Oops. You want some water? Come on. To the water, not. And this ducky, gonna put it here. Oh, this little ducky. Come down here. Oh, little ducky don't want to stand. Okay, we don't do this. Let's put here. And this too. Come on. Come on, cutie. Finish the bath. This is a nice towel. This is pink towel. Oops, and here.